Hair loss in men is more than just a cosmetic issue. It is a deeply emotional journey. When a man looks in the mirror and sees his hairline shrinking or the crown beginning to thin, he doesn't just see hair falling out, he sees confidence slipping, youth fading, and identity changing. It can start slowly, maybe a little extra shedding in the shower, or noticing that certain hairstyles no longer hide the problem. And before he knows it, he feels older than his actual age. But here on Health Improvisor, we believe that science, research, and modern preventive health offer real solutions. In 2025, men finally have access to treatments, both old and new, that genuinely work and can restore not only hair, but also confidence, masculinity, and that youthful glow that every man deserves to hold on to as he ages. Hair loss is often blamed on genetics alone. People say, "It runs in the family. Nothing you can do." But modern research shows genetics are just one part of the equation. Environmental factors, inflammation, diet, stress, hormones, sleep quality, nutrient deficiencies, and lifestyle choices accelerate hair loss far faster than genes do. The primary villain behind male pattern baldness is a hormone called DHT-dehydrotestosterone, a superpowered form of testosterone. In some men, hair follicles are genetically more sensitive to DHT. The hormone attaches to the follicle and slowly shrinks it, making the hair thinner and shorter, until eventually the follicle shuts down completely. This process is called miniaturization. But here's the key. That shutdown is often not permanent, especially if action is taken early. Follicles that are miniaturized are still alive. They just need to be reactivated, protected, and supplied with the right nutrients and signals. For decades, two scientifically proven treatments dominated the hair world: finasteride and minoxidil. Finasteride works by blocking the enzyme that converts testosterone into DHT. The big concern that many men have had with finasteride is sexual side effects. But in recent years, topical finasteride has changed everything because it directly targets the scalp with minimal exposure to the rest of the body. It reduces DHT only where needed, allowing men to keep their hormones strong while keeping DHT off the follicles. Minoxidil works differently. It increases blood circulation to the follicles and prolongs the hair growth phase. In 2025, oral low-dose minoxidil has also become popular because it often works for men who never responded to the topical version. The combination of topical finasteride and minoxidil remains the strongest first-line defense against androgenic hair loss, and it's backed by decades of clinical studies. However, that is just step one. Modern breakthroughs now focus on attacking the hidden danger that speeds up hair loss: inflammation. When the scalp becomes inflamed due to stress, diet, pollution, microbes, or chemicals, follicles weaken and become vulnerable. This is where ketoconazole shampoos make a major difference. Originally used to treat dandruff and fungal irritation, ketoconazole actually reduces follicle inflammation and has a mild DHT-blocking effect on the scalp. Using a 1–2% ketoconazole shampoo 2 or 3 times weekly creates a healthier scalp environment, allowing hair to grow stronger rather than struggle to survive. Another revolutionary discovery in 2025 is how powerful microneedling can be when combined with topical treatments. When tiny needles create microchannels in the scalp, the body responds by sending growth factors and healing cells to repair the area, which jumpstarts hair growth. But the biggest advantage is absorption. Minoxidil can work up to 3 times more effectively when applied after microneedling. It's affordable, you can do it at home, and dermatologists around the world now recommend it as a standard part of hair regrowth plans. Now, let's talk about something most men overlook: circulation. Sitting all day, high stress, low testosterone, and poor cardiovascular health reduce blood flow to the scalp. Without oxygen and nutrients, follicles suffocate. That's why red light therapy, also called low-level laser therapy, has become a leading treatment. It energizes hair follicles by increasing ATP production inside the cells, essentially giving them the biological power to grow again. FDA-approved laser caps and clinic-based devices are helping thousands of men regain hair density and thickness with zero medication involved. But what if hair loss has already progressed significantly? That's where regenerative medicine steps in, and these are the most exciting advancements men have ever seen. One of the best-known therapies is PRP, platelet-rich plasma. A doctor draws your blood, spins it in a centrifuge to concentrate the platelets full of growth factors, and injects it into thinning areas of the scalp. Those growth factors stimulate the follicles to heal faster and grow stronger. Many men start seeing visible improvement after just 3 sessions spread over a few months. Then, there's a newer and even more advanced option: exosome therapy. Exosomes are tiny biological messengers that tell cells how to regenerate. They come from stem cells, and when applied to the scalp, they send signals that wake dormant follicles and push them back into the growth phase. Exosomes are like giving the scalp a blueprint for youth. They're still expensive, but research shows they often outperform PRP, making them the future of hair restoration. For men with severe hair loss where the follicles are beyond repair, transplant technology has evolved dramatically. Gone are the days of unnatural, plug-like hairlines. Today, FUE micrografting uses robotics and extremely fine tools to extract individual follicles and recreate a natural, age-appropriate hairline. This isn't just cosmetic. Regaining a natural hairline restores a man's sense of self. Men report improvements in everything from social confidence to job performance, because when you like how you look, you live like you mean it. But hair loss is not only physical, it is deeply psychological. Many men who begin thinning become anxious, depressed, or socially withdrawn. Some avoid bright light or windy settings. Some stop taking pictures. Some feel embarrassed in dating or relationship conversations. What hurts the most is the feeling of not being able to control what's happening. That's why early intervention is key. The sooner you take action, the more hair you will protect. And when men see that they still have control, confidence immediately rises. Beyond the scalp, what you eat plays a major role in how your hair ages. Hair is made of keratin, a protein that requires nutrients like biotin, zinc, vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, collagen peptides, iron, selenium, and antioxidants. Today's fast food culture leads to nutrient deficiencies that force the body to prioritize essential organs, not hair. Correcting those deficiencies is like fueling your hair from the inside out. Vitamin D improves follicle cycling. Omega-3 seconds reduce scalp inflammation. Zinc and iron help hormone balance and oxygen delivery. Collagen strengthens hair structure. A nutritious diet becomes a youthful head of hair. Hormone balance is equally crucial. When men consume too much sugar, alcohol, or processed oils, they develop insulin resistance and inflammation, both of which elevate hair loss and accelerate aging. Improving testosterone naturally through strength training, good sleep, managing stress, and eating whole foods feeds the hormonal system that protects hair. Speaking of stress, it is one of the most destructive forces behind hair loss. High cortisol disrupts the natural growth cycle and pushes follicles into a resting or shedding phase. Men with chronic stress often notice rapid thinning. This is where lifestyle interventions, meditation, walking outdoors, cold showers, deep sleep routines become just as important as medical treatments. It's not just about growing hair, it's about living healthier so your hair can thrive. Environmental toxins also strip hair of youth. Plastics, pesticides, smoke, alcohol, poor air quality, they disrupt hormones and damage follicles. Detoxifying your environment, drinking clean filtered water, avoiding harsh hair products, choosing better foods all contribute to a healthier scalp. The combined approach attacking all causes of hair loss at once is what truly creates results. Hair loss is a battle best won on multiple fronts. Reducing DHT's impact, boosting blood flow, cutting inflammation, feeding your follicles the nutrients they crave, and building a healthier lifestyle that supports growth. When these systems work together, hair can revive. Bald patches can fill in. That slow erosion of confidence can stop and reverse. But here is something most men don't realize. Hair is the most visible sign of aging. When people look at you, hair is one of the first features they use to estimate age. A fuller head of hair doesn't just make you look younger, it makes you feel powerful again. You stand taller. You smile more. You feel like yourself again. This is the anti-aging revolution, and you deserve to be part of it. So, take the step. Speak to a dermatologist. Start a treatment routine. Upgrade your lifestyle. Your future self will thank you for the action you take today. because preventing more hair loss is easier than restoring what's gone, and the earlier you start, the better you will age. Here on Health Improvisor, we bring you real science, real health solutions, and real confidence, not myths or false promises. So, if you're ready to take control of your hair, protect your youth, and reclaim the identity that belongs to you, subscribe now. And if you know a friend who is silently struggling with hair loss, share this video with him because no man deserves to feel alone in this experience. Together, we can fight the aging process and stay stronger, sharper, healthier, and younger for longer. This is a Health Improvisor. Your health, your youth, your comeback story starts right now.